Alright guys, quick update. Turbo is mounted and now I'm just pretty much heat wrapping everything. So I got like this Velcro heat wrap from Amazon. Hopefully it works. DI does make this, but it's really expensive. Hopefully this holds up, but if not, I mean, you guys will know. Use some for this oil drain line. I had to take off this fitting from the power steering pump because I couldn't put this AN line on. So I took this off and I had to reclock it a little bit more so that it goes a little bit to the left. Not too much because you still want this to go straight down. I got it just enough to where it clears. So this will connect to this fitting over here. That's the oil drain. And then I had the oil pump line because I had to relocate the oil pump, so I had to extend the line. Starter. This doesn't look like it'll get hot, but I'll probably end up wrapping this too. Went ahead and already got all the vacuum lines routed. Let's go to my boost controller solenoid. This one goes to my fuel regulator. I have my fuel line already on and I got them all routed already. Went ahead and tucked all this up already. Oil lines are in, heat treated. These are my power steering lines, so those go to this. My wastegate's on. There's one and there's the other one. Got those on, vacuumed as well, already routed, so that's all done. All the hot side is done. All right guys, update. Super hot. My neck is black and I'm super burnt, as if I wasn't already burnt from 4th of July. Got the front end on with the intercooler mounted, and damn, with the headlights and everything, it looks amazing. Dude, just look at that. The turbo sitting right here, it looks insane, dude. I'm so hyped. Oh my god. Dude, this is like a dream build of mine, I kid you not. I've been trying to build this for years and I never could, and now I finally am doing it. So crazy, it looks so good. Now all I have is just cold side, fluids, and then we could actually start this thing.
It was always me versus me, it was never me versus you. Misunderstood, get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes, it's understood.
The next day,
I have all the piping done, fluids done, pretty much everything to turn on the car is done. Battery is dead. Don't know what the last update was. It's been a struggle to get this thing going. I have everything plumbed up nicely and ready to go. Go ahead and put the jumper on. Interior is still a mess. Alright, ignition on. Oh, there we go. Let me know if you see fuel spray out. It should have sprayed out already. No? Okay. This is kind of hard to do with no seat. Bleeding power steering right now. Clutch in. Oh. Battery's still dead, huh?
Battery's dead.
Put a bigger jump. Oh, do you have a big jumper on it? Oh.
Here, I can go get the other jumper.
Okay. Alright guys, so in the last clip you guys saw that we could not get this thing started. We are here in the morning, hopefully trying to get this thing running. We think it's no gas because it's cranking and everything. Getting fuel pressure still, but my gas gauge, as you guys saw, is reading empty still. We got some gas, E85. Clutch. And let's, hopefully it starts. Okay. Damn, dude. This thing is not cooperating. What the fuck? And she's alive! Oh my god! She started finally. I just kept cranking. The idle will normal out. that shit was bone dry. Damn, so sick. Leading the power steering. Damn, nice. This sounds great. So sick, dude. Dropped it off the jack stands after running a little bit. Coolant is bled. I'm just literally at a loss of words. It does sit pretty low, but I still have some wheel gap, so I could drop it still a little bit more. But I'm scared I'm gonna hit the sway bar underneath. Damn, dude, it looks so sick. I want to move this table so you guys can get a better angle, but the rear, freaking crazy, dude. Looks honestly perfect. Come on. How do you... What? Dude, I honestly just do not believe it's my car. A few years ago, I was in the Acura TL. And then after that, I got my 370. I did full bolt-ons on that. If you've been following my channel, you saw me do nitrous on my 370. And I remember I'm always talked about wanting a boost VQ, and now I finally did it twice. And it's just crazy, guys. Anything's possible, just give it time, patience, and you'll get there. Still a lot to do on this car, my whole interior, but I basically wanted to make this video basically just a whole video of me trying to get this started. I know it wasn't in detail and anything, but I have detailed videos on how to do all this stuff because literally everything's the same, but mounting this turbo, that's about it. My whole setup's the same. Installed the clears, the new headlights. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have a lot of content coming up with this car, a lot of driving, a lot of racing, a lot of building, hopefully not a lot of braking. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next one.